Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. If you are new, I appreciate you stopping by. We are doing cash stuffing for the third week of August. I have a total of 526, or at least I should have. So let's jump right on into it and get to counting. Okay, so we do have a total of $526. And we're going to start with, let's start with my long term. So the first one that we're doing is emergency fund. And we're putting 18 in here. So we're going to mark off a 15 because it does not have any ones on here. Okay. And my tracker. Okay. Did I pull my cash out? No. All right. So we're doing 15, 18, 17, and 18. Okay. So an emergency fund, we have 100, 200 in the bank, 220, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, and 300. So I have 100 I can take back to my high yield savings account where the other amount is. Okay. And then we're moving on to month ahead. And it has this tracker. Each box is $10. No. Is it $5 for me? No, it's $10. Hopefully. I don't remember. Okay, so we have 100, 200 in the bank, 250, 60, 70, 75, and 280. And I haven't looked at this to see if I can color anything in. Did I do that right? So we have 280. Let's see. So I have 100 right there. And then we have okay, so we can color in one more for the Ameren. Okay, so we're fully funded. 1 month for Ameren, 1 month for internet. And then we will keep going. Okay, so now car insurance is fully funded. We are doing car maintenance. And car maintenance is going to get 30, which is 2 of these icons. So we have 30. Okay, so we have 420 in a high yield savings account. 420, 440, 460, 470, 480, 490, 500, 510, 1520. So we have 520. Okay, and then the last one that we're doing in here is federal taxes, and we're putting 10 in. Okay, so we have 100 in the bank, 50. 150, 200, 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 51, 52, and 53. So 253. Okay, so then that is it for my long-term binder. Okay, let's do this binder. We're only stuffing lawn care in here. And we're going to do 25. So we have 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, and 80. And if you're new here, I pay my daughter like $40 each time she cuts my grass. So that is enough for 2 visits. And then in my variable, pretty much variable, we are doing, these are all the categories that I keep in my wallet. So this is kind of like a 1 month ahead kind of for this. So I have a table of contents for that one. We are doing 26 for groceries. So 20. So now in groceries, we have 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, and 70. And I think each one of these icons, yeah, so each one is 50, so we can't mark another one off yet. And then in household, we are doing 10. And so it now has 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 91, 92, and 93. And I think I'm fully funded, really. Yeah. So we're good for household. Groceries will get gas will get 5. So we have 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 85, and 90. And then personal spending will get 5. So we have 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, and 35. And then the last one in this binder is dining out. It's getting 5. So we have 10, 15, and 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. All right, so we are good for my variable binder. Let's just go down the line. So we got our holiday binder, and we're only doing 2. So we're doing Thanksgiving is getting 10. This is a Black Friday tracker, but I didn't have another one for Thanksgiving. So I'm just going to use this one. And we're doing 10, so I'm marking off 2 of them. Okay, so we have our 10. So we now have 50, 70, 80, 90, 95, 100, 1, 2, 3, and 4, which is good. Okay, and then our very last one is going to be Christmas. And we're going to put 15 in here. And we have 100, 200 in the bank, 250, 300, 320, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, and 400. So when I do a cash condensing, I'll put the other 200 in the high yield savings account. And then back here is the tracker that I'm doing. So each one is 2. And we did 15, which is an odd number. So we need to mark off 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that was the whole row. Okay, so we are done with this binder. Then our next one is going to be my annual bills binder. Okay, So Sam's, we're going to do $2. So we now have 20, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, and 52. Apple Music is going to get 3. So we now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And let's see, Netflix should be the next one. Yeah. So Netflix is going to get 8. So we now have 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, and 89. Canva is fully funded. CapCut is getting $10. And so now this is fully funded. So we have 100, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 65, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, and 80. So 180, I did check on my account. 180 is what it's set to renew unless it changes between now and October 8th. We're good. So Epidemic, since we have a little extra, because I've fully funded several before they were actually due, we are putting 15 into Epidemic so that we can fully fund this. And this is not due till January. So we have 50, 70, 80, 90, 95, 100, 105, and 106. So I just need $14 more, and then this is fully funded. And then our last one here is P.O. Box. I have these here because I still have not decided which one I'm going to do. In the meantime, we're just adding. So we have 100, 120, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 61, 2, 3, and 164. Okay, so we are good to go for our bills binder. And then in my personal binder, we're starting with toiletries. I like to keep 100 in here for the most part. So to get it back to 100, we need 8. And then I won't worry about stuffing this again until I spend from here. So we have 50, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, and 100. And again, if you're new here, I'm an empty nester, so it is just me. So all of the amounts is just based off of a single person, and like I don't use very much. So, I think I need to do this. So we're putting 15 in here. Okay, so let me get my. So we're going to do 3 because each one is 5. I finally got, I'm not ahead in my homework, but I got a few chapters in. So I'm trying to like bulk film right now and get those going so I can further get myself ahead for school. But I've been finding time to watch everyone's videos. I may not comment, but I've been watching videos. And I have it playing like on my computer at work or whatever. I have my tablet with me at work. So now we have 50, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, and 37. Okay, and then self-care is going to get 5. So we're at 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and 60. Still have not found time to go get my eyebrows done. I really need to do that. Beauty is going to get 5. I really need to go get me a pedicure. That's what I need. So Beauty has 5, 10, 15, and 20. And then Shop Small is getting 12, I believe. Trying to make it even. So okay, so we have 20, 30, 40, 45, 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so 55. I've been eyeing some things that I probably want for my setup for 2027. So that's why I'm saving for that. Trying my hardest to hold out. I'm giving myself 10. And so now we have 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, and 45. And if I need to, I'll use this money as well. Okay. And I still haven't given my son his money. I need to do that. All right. So then the last one should be in here, which is professional memberships under career. So then this is just getting 4. That's what I had left over in my budget. I definitely need to cash condense this. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 30. 31, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we have $36. Okay. Perfect. So now on to my wallet. This is what I carry with me. Hopefully I'm not shaking you guys. Okay. So I like to start from the back so I don't confuse myself with the denominations. So miscellaneous gets 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now that my job has picked up, with school will start next week, don't know how much spending I will truly do. We'll see. This gets 30. Okay, so we have 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. And then we have 20. Then we have fuel is getting, so that's 60, 80, 95. Okay, so fuel now has 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Speaking of fuel, why gas is going back up? I think our gas here now is like 185. Listen, I'm sick about it. I need them to figure some stuff out and get it together. Okay, home is getting 10. And then everything else, all is true. This should be $90 for groceries. So we have 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, and 90. It's perfect. I just knew I was going to mess up because I didn't have my little binder over here. Honey, I knew it was going to be a show. Okay. But we did not. So I am fully funded and ready to go for week 3. This is a Thursday that I'm filming this. So technically my week started yesterday. So we are set to go. And then come next Tuesday, we will do an unstuffing to see where I spent my money. And this is the system that's been working for me. So I thank you guys for rocking with your girl to the end of the video. If you're not subscribed and you want to see more, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, have a wonderful day.